Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at SIHH 2019 at Baume Mercier, looking at the Clifton Baumatic. This is a watch that was originally released last year in 2018, and for 2019 they've extended it with this nice smoked blue dial. Also a all gold model, very reasonably priced. When I first started getting a watch, Baume Mercier was one of the first brands that I saw and I really liked, and for me it was a great accessible brand. And today, about 20 years later, it's also very accessible, and the brand is really focused on that. So this watch is special because of an in-house movement which has 5 days of power reserve, anti-magnetic, it has a cost chronometer certified version, and it's affordable. On the strap or on a bracelet, costs about $3,000, just over $7,000 in solid gold. Great looking, 39mm wide case. You can see more on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.